Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a Gantt chart in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the reverse dataset. So what I'm going to do first is drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the dataset has loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet highlighted in orange called Sheet 1. And then I'm going to select one date field, so key. I'm going to select pick up date time, a dimension, and go to show me in the right hand corner. Then go to the very last row. And for the visualization on the left, this is a Gantt chart. So we need at least a date or one or more dimensions. I'm going to click OK. So this is how you can create a Gantt chart in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.